Hello gang, how you going? Skypilot here. I'm going to have a zip around with this terrific little Larva X here. I only want to capture a bit of footage on the onboard SD recorder on the VTX here, which is pretty cool. However, I want to try these lighten down props here I've purchased. They're in a link down below there. They're just some standard OEM type props. However, they do sport a much quieter sound to them, so if you do want to fly in an area where you want to keep the noise down, I highly recommend these bad boys right here. So let's take to the sky, do some footage and let you guys have a listen. Quick bit of line of sight first and we'll go from there. So as you can see guys, significantly quieter. Let's get it nice and close here. Have a listen to that. If I had a decibel meter, I could tell you exactly how quiet it is, however. I haven't. So that's pretty cool. Okay. Our red light's flashing on the VTX. That means the onboard recorder is recording. And today's images, yeah, they're going to be caught with the Skyzones, sporting a couple of decent antennas here, and powered by a little 1.5 in my pocket.
RF signal low. RF signal critical. RF signal low. Horizon. RF signal low. RF signal critical.
Okay, getting a bit low on power now, so I think we shall call it quits. Just bring it home. Take the gogs off. The Larva X gang with the improved quieten down props. That's been a nice little fly. So again, make sure you terminate your VTX by the press of a button. Before you pull the battery out. Otherwise you'll lose all of your footage. Okay, that's just a quick fly around. I just want to see how these props performed with this PID tune that I've got at the moment. And yeah, she took a couple of knocks, but yeah, they seem pretty robust. Good stuff. Thanks for stopping by, guys. Any questions, comments down below, links down below. Support me if you like. All's good. Hope you guys are doing well. See you in the sky. Sky Pilot. Catch you later.